Sacrifice a knight to promote a pawn in chess. And let's look at this game right here, and we are the black pieces. Our opponent has a knight on a4 and a knight on g4, and they have two passed pawns on the a and b file ready to promote. We have this lonely passed pawn on the h file, and we can't move to h2, or our opponent will sacrifice their knight to prevent us from promoting to the h1 square. What is the best move for the black pieces? If we do the wrong move, we could be losing. And that's why this move stops everything. If the king just moves, then we capture their knight, and after they recapture back, we can promote this pawn without any complications at all. But if they take this knight on the f6 square, then we can just go to h2 and promote on the next move, and this knight cannot come back in time to stop us from getting a free queen, and the queen should be enough to come back and win this game for the black pieces.